let's get going here. Let's get to our blog. Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. As I am Joe Nassi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionFit.com, welcoming you to our morning vol report. Or yesterday there was not there was some vol yesterday. Anyway, check out our Master Vol class here for all those that are interested. It's a 10-part course, really focusing on just volatility. Understanding how it works, trading vol, using the vol products, using VIX, using all of those tools and learning how to use them to your advantage. Okay, that's what the class is for. If you're already an option pit, if you want to upgrade to platinum, become a platinum member, we'll give you the course. If you're already a gold member, it'll be a slight charge. If you're a platinum member, it'll be a nominal charge. If you're OP Live, it will be a partial charge. So again, it's a good time. This is some of the stuff we do in our Pro Series. But we thought it was time to kind of put this into a class setting for our subscribers and for potentially new subscribers. So this will start about January 17th. Alrighty, and with that, let's go to the action today. So one thing in the blog from yesterday. Let's take a look and see how it's still. There is some upside skew here. I'm not quite sure what really caused the sell-off yesterday. We had Apple showing a little strength after everything kind of opened up and then sold off. Maybe it was the new Mideast policy. I'm not quite sure. Usually I go into the rubric of anything that is adds uncertainty to the market. Generates more volatility, and generally stocks go down, which is kind of what we had. VIX right now, well, you had a 1% move yesterday, so we went from basically 11.5 fall to higher. End of year funds. Maybe, Pablo, the end of year funds rebalancing, possible. But we got one more day, and let's see how much more unbalancing they do. To be honest, if you own some SPY puts, I think this is a good time to sell them out. I think it's a good chance to also maybe load up on some more vol product shorts. We'll see what this goes on, but that's kind of how we're looking at this. And you are catching a little bit of a bid in gold. From what? Where were we just recently? Take a 3-month look, right? I mean, what are we? 107? So we're, again, a little bit of a bid. I kind of look at these funky vol products every once in a while, these leveraged ETFs like Nugget. And usually when they get to like extreme levels, as this one did, I mean, it was just trading 14.5. What was the low like? Right, these were all low, 627. I think there's a little bit of a chance for bounce in some of these things. There was some severe, like I said, unwinding of things toward the end of the year. Maybe some money flows back. For us, I think there might be a decent trade in the SPX to the end of the year. We could look at some pricing again. I thought in the blog last night there was, and there still is. Now it's actually come in a bit. The at-the-money vol has gone up a little bit and all this upside stuff. It's still there just a little bit, but I think you can get one-day flies for pretty good prices, kind of tapping in around the recent highs we just had. Maybe an unbalanced butterfly would work fine. Other than that, it just doesn't look like a whole lot. It doesn't look like a whole lot is moving, but we'll see how the day shakes out. We just mentioned to me bond volatility got very high. Let's take a look. Even if we look, we're up there. The 60-day vol is looking higher, not as much as when we had some of that recent movement. Let's take a look here too. It's definitely on the higher end of the scale. It's not down there, so it's not cheap. So we'll see if we're looking for more. There was a lot of, I do see a lot of strange reversal conversion action in the option trading pits. We were hearing that. where there might be a short-term interest rate squeeze. I don't know how much that will play, but anyway, we'll see. It's the fact that the markets are starting to lean to a new interest rate regime. Well, the TLT is down a bunch. We haven't seen that really come in huge yet. So, but higher vol is higher vol. So every time we do have higher vol, we take a look at it. All right. And with that, everybody, I will see some of you in our option pitch app just for a little while this morning. And I will talk to you all later. Bye-bye.